Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can evidently see, I'm quite decked up today because I have to head out for a mehendi night of a very close friend. Now in fact, everything that I have used today in order to get ready, in order to achieve this entire look has been bought from Amazon. Now everything, literally from the hair accessories to the skincare to the makeup, to the clothes, jewelry, footwear, everything has been bought from Amazon. Amazon keeps on running brilliant sales every now and then, so definitely have a look. I will have the links of everything in the description box below, so do check them out. And without wasting any more time, let's begin. Starting with the anti-acne face wash from Clovia Botanica. Now this one is an Ayurvedic facial wash that helps in removing the excess oil, controls acne and overall gives a clearer skin. To pamper my skin a step further, I'm using the Matcha Green Tea Face Mask by Clovia Botanica. It's got aloe vera, matcha and seaweed for rejuvenated skin. This has helped my skin so much with time, be it from the elasticity point of view or just purely for good skin. To improve the appearance of the eye contour, I'm using the Natural Age Control Under Eye Cream by Mom's Co. This one has bakuchi oil in it, which is a natural alternative to retinol, along with niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and 5 other powerful plant extracts that help reduce dark circles, fine lines, and wrinkles. Then I'm also using the Natural Age Control Night Cream by Mom's Co. I love the texture of this moisturizer and also the fact that it's so hydrating. I really like applying this one before I apply makeup. This just brings out the beautiful glow of my skin along with that firmness. Now for the makeup, I'm starting with the concealer first. I'm using the Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer by Sugar Cosmetics. This goes under the eyes and also on the center of the face. So what this technique does is it ensures natural looking coverage which brightens up the under eye area and also draws attention to the center of your face. There are various shades available on Amazon, so you can get one for yourself as per your skin tone. I'm also going to pat off some compact powder to set everything in for a longer lasting look. Now for a more structured face, I'm using the highlighter blush contour set by My Glam. This kit is available on a discounted price on Amazon, which is available for $9.38, which initially was for $12.50. So I'm just wiping the contour powder on the hollows of my cheekbones and also on the side of my nose to just give that dimension to the entire facial complexion. I also love some pop of color on the cheek, so I'm applying the blush from the same palette. Now using a fluffy blending brush, I'm adding a slight shade of brown to the eyelids to give them a simple but chic wash of color. And then I'm going to add the champagne color, which is actually the highlighter from the previous palette, to just give some attention to the center of my eyes. And I'm also going to apply this on the bridge of my nose and also on the cupid's bow. Finally, I'm applying the lip color. This one is from Sugar Cosmetics. It's called Blush Pink. It's very glideable and has a smooth satin finish. Then I'm going to swipe on a volumizing mascara because I want long luscious lashes for this look. For the hair, I really wanted to do a bun and I added a gajra to it, which also I got from Amazon. Now this one looks so real. It doesn't look artificial at all, and this high quality gajra is available on Amazon for just 73 rupees. Can you believe that? For the Indian look, I love accessorizing, so which is why I got this pretty red choker necklace and also the earrings, which I think really go well with my outfit. And believe me you, I got this for $3.99, which earlier was for 3,000 rupees. For the outfit, I got this beautiful maroon embroidered top and a ruffle skirt with attached dupatta to go with it. So together it looks like a pre-draped sari. This entire outfit is from India on Amazon and it has some crazy offers on it, so you can have a look on all its listings. I also got this beautiful juti from Amazon at an amazing discounted price. This has some dafka work with mirror embellishment on this. This was priced for rupees 6800, but I got this for 25.99 only. So I'm all set, and this is the final look. I think this look is really achievable. It's very easy, very quick, and looks really subtle, glamorous, yet feminine at the same time. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will have all the links in the description box below. So have a look at the Amazon sale because they have some amazing offers every hour and some crazy deals. So definitely have a look, and I will see you very soon. Bye.